Good morning! Good morning, everyone! Enjoy kayo basang-basa, ano?
Okay, sasabta sa bakan, tutong pa tayo.
Proceeds to be related to Ronald McDonald Learn to Learn.
Ito na nga, speaking of mga batang natulungan. Actually po, sa participation nyo for this morning in this event, more Filipino kids will learn how to read through the McDonald's Read to Learn program. And ito po, ang tinulungan nyo lang naman po, maliit lang. Maliit lang, actually 11.5 million kids will learn how to read. Grabe, thank you so much po in that because of your support for McDonald's over the past years. And again, maraming salamat po to everyone who joined today kahit maulan. Grabe. Oo nga eh, basang-basahan na sila pero maraming salamat po para sa mga bata and para sa charity. On behalf of McDonald's, we thank everyone. So maraming salamat po.
Thank you and enjoy the rest of the day.